In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write engaging headlines on WordPress.com. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, crafting the perfect headline can make all the difference in capturing your audience's attention. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the WordPress.com login page. Simply open your web browser and search for WordPress.com login, and you'll see the official site pop up at the top. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to the login page. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, the next step is to head over to your WordPress admin page. If you're working locally, you'll want to navigate to your localhost admin page. This is where you'll have the tools and settings needed to customize your site. Now that you're on the admin page, look for the option to edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful, user-friendly page builder that makes designing your WordPress site a breeze. Click on Edit with Elementor, and while doing so, hold tight as it loads your page editor. With Elementor open, you'll find various tools in the top left menu. This menu is where you'll access different elements that can be added to your page, including those all-important headings. You'll want to search for the heading element. Once you locate it, click on it to begin crafting your headline. Now you're in the fun part. Customizing your headline to meet your specific requirements is where creativity comes into play. Consider what will resonate most with your audience. Is it a catchy phrase or a direct call to action? Use bold and concise language to ensure your message is clear. Play around with the fonts and colors to make your headline stand out, but keep it consistent with your overall site design. Once you're satisfied with how your headline looks, the final step is crucial. It's time to publish. Double-check your page to ensure everything looks perfect. When ready, click on the Publish button, and just like that, your eye-catching headline is live for the world to see. And there you have it. A quick yet comprehensive walkthrough of writing headlines on WordPress.com using Elementor. Remember, headlines are the first impression readers have of your content, so make them count. Practice these steps, and you'll be crafting attention-grabbing headlines that entice and engage your readers in no time. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and be sure to check out our other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks. Happy blogging!